Can you buy a handgun at 18? Have you ever wondered if you can buy a handgun when you turn 18? This is a hot topic in discussions about Second Amendment rights and gun ownership laws. Let's break it down. Under current federal law in the United States, you cannot purchase a handgun from a federally licensed firearms dealer until you are at least 21 years old. This rule is set by the Gun Control Act, which requires buyers of handguns and handgun ammunition to be 21 or older. However, if you are 18 years or older, you can legally buy long guns, like rifles and shotguns, from licensed dealers. Now, the laws can vary from state to state. Some states have stricter age requirements than the federal law. In fact, certain states have raised the minimum age to purchase firearms above the federal standard. Interestingly, in private sales, some states allow individuals aged 18 to 20 to buy handguns, but this is not allowed through licensed dealers. For example, there are 23 states where people between 18 and 20 can purchase handguns in private sales, but this varies widely based on where you live. From a conservative viewpoint, many Republicans see the federal age restriction as a way to balance Second Amendment rights with responsible gun ownership. They argue that lawful gun ownership is essential for self-defense and individual freedom. Many believe that, if you are considered a legal adult at 18, you should have the right to buy a handgun, especially since young adults can serve in the military. For those aged 18 to 20 who want to buy a handgun, the options are limited. They can only purchase handguns through private sales in states that allow it, or wait until they turn 21 to buy from a licensed dealer. Buying from a licensed dealer is important because it involves background checks and federal oversight. This aligns with conservative values of lawful and responsible gun ownership. To sum it up, federal law requires you to be 21 or older to buy handguns from licensed dealers. If you are 18 or older, you can buy long guns. Some states may allow private handgun sales to those aged 18 to 20. From a Republican perspective, the right to bear arms is fundamental, and many support maintaining the minimum age at 18 for handgun purchases. Licensed dealer sales ensure legal compliance and background checks, which are vital for responsible ownership.